Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80190001D, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to perform a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on this OK option. Now ignore the part here. Simply click on cleanup system files and then click on OK. It will start scanning and at one stage it will mention Windows Update Cleanup. Okay. The next solution is to rename the software distribution folder. So we have a list of commands here and I'll share this in the description section of the video. Simply copy then, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste all the commands here and then hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.